बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft video signing in, and I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very pretty, these are very unique and very stunning and very classy ideas for you guys. I hope so guys enjoyed these type of denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful, amazing and very unique and stunning recycling craft ideas for you. So viewers, if you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super unique, amazing and stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. You must make these craft work at home, and if you don't know about how to make these type of craft work, then you watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of denim jeans recycling craft ideas. Always think positive guys, always be positive. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super stunning, super unique and very classy denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep watching my videos, keep supporting my channel. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. So follow for more details and keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. Always take care and remember me in your prayers. These are very classy and very beautiful artwork for you guys. So take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.